Are you looking to learn basal implants in India? Are you reluctant to use basal implants in your dental practice? A complete 3 days Basal Implantology workshop at Gurgaon, India by Master Mentor Dr. Prashant Chaudhary to help you understand and incorporate basal implants in your practice. You will learn how to select cases, read and interpret CBCT, get sizes of implants, practical placement of basal implants in patient's mouth, understand concepts of cortical implant stability, pterygoid implant, nerve bypass technique, impression taking for basal implants, occlusion in basal implant, complications and management of complications in basal implantology and much more. This basal implant course will make you confident in using basal implants in severe atrophic jaw replacements, handling implant procedures for medically compromised patients, and providing successful implants for patients suffering from severe periodontal conditions. The possibilities of dental implant treatment are endless with basal implantology. Learn, practice, and master the techniques in basal implantology with a master mentor in India. Register for a course now to get a 25% early bird discount on course fees if you register before 30th of June 2022. Use coupon code BASAR-JULY 2022 at checkout for a discount. The link to register is provided in the description.